$6,000 in debt, constant phone calls, endless notifications from the bank, and one thought stuck in my head. I'm never getting out of this. But in just 8 months, I paid off every single dollar. And today, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step system I used. Let me tell you a story. Here's the truth. I wasn't a financial expert. I was just a regular person, slowly falling into a debt trap. I kept swiping my credit card, taking on more and more payments. And one day, reality hit me hard. My total debt, $6,000. That's when it clicked. If I don't take control now, this debt will control my life. The biggest mistake most people make, they only pay the minimum every single month, and they think they're making progress. But here's the reality. You're mostly paying interest. The actual debt barely goes down, which means you stay stuck. Step 1. Face the reality. I did something simple. I wrote down all my debts, credit cards, loans, monthly payments, everything in one place. It felt uncomfortable, but it gave me clarity. Step 2. Stop the bleeding. That means no new debt, no credit card usage, no unnecessary spending, no impulse buying. My rule was simple. If I don't need it, I don't buy it. Step 3. Use the debt snowball method. I focused on the smallest debt first and paid it off aggressively. As soon as it was gone, I rolled that payment into the next one, and then the next. One by one, everything disappeared. It's simple but incredibly powerful. Step 4. Increase your income. Saving alone isn't enough. I started earning extra money, freelancing, working weekends, trying small side hustles. I made an extra $100 to $200 a month and followed one golden rule. Every extra dollar went straight to debt. Step 5. Discipline. This is the hardest part. For 8 months, no parties, no luxury spending, no excuses, just one goal: become debt-free. Here's a bonus trick that helped me stay consistent. I tracked my progress. Every time my debt went down, I felt motivated. You should try this too. After 8 months, zero debt, no calls, no stress, just peace. That feeling is something I can't even explain. If you're stuck in debt right now, just remember, it's not impossible. You just need a system and consistency. Don't quit. And if you want me to create a step-by-step debt payoff plan for you, comment debt-free and don't forget to like this video.